Hi everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 46 from May 22nd, 2026. Today's AI news is pretty exciting, and I promise no jargon. Let's go. So imagine you open an app and instead of scrolling through endless shows, it just knows exactly what you want to hear. That is basically what Spotify just launched with a new standalone app called Studio by Spotify Labs. Think of it like having a personal radio producer who stayed up all night studying your playlists, your calendar, and even notes you saved. You type a simple prompt in chat, and the app pulls together your listening history plus connected apps like email to create a custom daily briefing or even a full podcast episode just for you. The AI does not simply queue up old tracks, it generates fresh spoken words that sound like a friendly host who studied your tastes overnight. This matters because it shows AI moving from answering one question at a time to actually creating audio you can enjoy while walking to class or riding the bus. For students, it could turn a dull homework topic into an engaging summary you listen to on the way home. For anyone curious about AI, it highlights the shift toward tools that make new media instead of just replying. You can try it right now by opening the Studio app on your computer, connecting your Spotify account, and typing something like, make a 10-minute podcast about new artists similar to the ones I played last week. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. Let us break down how an AI agent actually works, using the Spotify example as our guide. Think of an agent like a helpful assistant who follows a to-do list you never had to write down yourself. First, it gathers raw material, almost like a student collecting notes from different classes before starting an essay. Next, it decides the order and tone, the way a band plans which songs go where in a set list so the energy feels right. Then it turns that plan into spoken words using text-to-speech technology that makes everything sound natural and human. And that is basically what the AI agent does when it builds your daily briefing. It chains together several small tasks to finish one bigger project. Not so scary, right? Let us move into some cool stuff you can try yourself. First up, an AI system tried to run a graduation ceremony at a community college in Arizona, and things did not go smoothly. The system mispronounced names, showed wrong names on screens, and even skipped some students entirely. The president had to stop everything and switch back to a human announcer so everyone could walk the stage properly. This reminds us that AI can look amazing in demos, yet fall apart during real moments that matter, like family events where accuracy counts. You can read the full thread on Reddit in the artificial subreddit to see how people reacted and what lessons they shared. Next, people on Reddit noticed something funny happening with ChatGPT. After getting one good answer, users quickly jump from asking simple questions like explain Python loops to demanding the AI build entire apps or launch businesses overnight. The confident tone makes those wild plans sound suddenly realistic. Try this yourself by opening any free chatbot and asking it to create a simple plan for a weekend hobby project. Then notice how polished it sounds. After that, double-check the steps with a real person or a tutorial site so you keep your feet on the ground. In quick bits today, AI smart glasses still face a basic hurdle. The dream of lightweight glasses that understand everything you see runs into the fact that they need constant, fast uploads to the cloud. Current cell networks simply are not built to handle that many live video streams at once. Also in quick bits, China showed off a giant robot that can switch between running on 4 legs and standing upright. The 10-foot-tall machine weighs about 1,000 pounds and was built for moving through city spaces. It is an interesting look at how robots are getting better at handling different kinds of movement without getting stuck. And that is a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at @Nera Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.